Well, hello.
Okay, so we got here, didn't have time to do a room tour because we had to get to our reservation at the boathouse. Okay, somebody is out there talking. This is a deluxe studio at Kidani Village. Can't really see any critters out there right now, but somebody has been talking. I will get a view of this, or see, okay, I don't know who that is, but they're interrupting me. Anyway, I will get video of this view in the morning when we are up bright and early to go to rope drop in Animal Kingdom. But anyway, let's show you. Oh, you don't want to hear that animal anymore. Okay, got you. So as you can see, here is your seating area, and also where Adrian and the kid will be sleeping, because I'm going to get that to myself.
That's how the evening will start out.
No, like last time you tried at Copper Creek, it was the same setup. Tried being in the bed with me, and somehow both the boys ended up on the sofa bed, which I can live with. Most of the newer rooms, this is storage. This here is not storage. You just get tables. Over here is your little drums seating area where you can see we've already made our mess because, like I said, we got here and had to run. Let's see. Over here, you just have some regular outlets, no USB.
Some of them don't work.
Some of the, yeah, this room is definitely feeling a bit older than some of our past resorts because, yeah, I noticed one of the prongs on the USBs was messed up, so he has plugged in. We brought USB chargers. I'm glad we did, but there are maybe 4 working USB chargers, and here is your setup. There's your television. We are used to, at our home resort of the Poly, we have a pull-out bed right here. We do not have that here, so we have to use the sofa bed. You have a little, the child is showing you. There's your hangers. Adrian couldn't find hangers earlier. You have a little armoire here for storage, although we just...
For storing limbs.
Okay, this works. We are child-free.
Hello!
Oh no, he's busted out. Okay. We still have a child. Okay. Okay, in your little entryway closet here, you have extra pillows and blankets, which I always need extra blankets. It's cold. Your ironing board and iron. And then the safe. This is a lock-off room. So right here, we'll just be storing our suitcase and shoes, child, and a recycling bin. Here is your kitchenette, which I don't know if I like it because here's the entrance right here, and here's your kitchenette, and we are waiting on our grocery order. We are trying Amazon Fresh this time, but you've got your microwave, coffee maker, which I won't use because I don't know that it's clean, and your refrigerator, which I believe we have a single solitary water in. Okay, I could have swore we brought more water than that. Another trash can under the sink. You have a hand and dish soap right here, towel. There's our souvenirs here. Coffee with non-dairy creamers and sugars and stuff. I think we're going to take advantage of Sanaa and the mobile ordering and get coffee in the morning before we head to the park. Sorry, getting used to using a gimbal here. And then up here, we have a couple of plates, like 3 bowls. I think we've had better stocked kitchens before. Some silverware. What do we have in here? And then we have a few cups, and we have some paper towels. Now to the important part, we've got the bathroom. Show them the bathroom.
Somebody can take a shower over there while somebody poops in here.
Okay, no, we're not gonna put that. Okay. So, all right, so you've got a separate area for doing your constitutional. We're gonna put it that way. Don't sit on the dirty toilet. I gotta clean it. I gotta Lysol everything. You have makeup mirror right here. Ta-da! And then back up so you can see you've got some underneath storage here with extra towels. Sorry, you just saw our garbage. pretty good size mirror. It's like the Polynesian where it's darker than some of the newer resorts like Copper Creek. And then here is your shower. And then let me get more lights on here that we have all the lights on. Maybe? Oh, there, it just went on. So you're down to toiletries in here, no more toiletries to hoard and take home. And then you can see it's a cute little animal pattern in the tile. And then unlike Polynesian and Copper Creek where we've stayed, you don't have a fancy rainfall shower head. It's just a regular shower head, which I think I'm going to clean a little bit more. I don't know if that's the finish coming off or if it's just not super clean, but even pre-pandemic, I always totally cleaned hotel rooms. We have Lysol and Clorox. All right, and yes, there is a bathtub. All right, anything else you want to tell them about the room, because we have to show them the best part, the view in the morning, since this is a Savanna view at Kidani.
I should mention, I'm not sure if you showed them. I'm gonna close the door a bit. He has even more towels.
Oh, even more towels here.
And then one extra roll of toilet paper.
As you can see, you can take a shower, and if the kid really has to go, and it's really important when you have young kids because they get impatient, you have a locked off bathroom and a full length mirror if you need to see how much weight you're gaining while eating at Disney. Because we're about to try a half-pound cookie, right, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, so...
Isn't that man so beautiful?
Yes, with his Pooh Bear mask. Okay, we're going to stop here and I will cut to our view in the morning. As promised, I am finishing up the room tour. This is actually the evening of day 2 because when we got back from Animal Kingdom midday, there weren't really any animals outside, but here I just wanted to show you. We did Animal Kingdom, we managed to park hop over to Magic Kingdom, and this kid never naps and he is out. But here you can see how much space the sofa bed takes up. It does take up quite a bit of room, but we don't spend too much time in the room. But yeah, so we managed it. This is our favorite part of Disney, is our kid falls asleep. Adrian set up the porg nugget, is eating our newest plush friend. I think it's a viper wolf from Avatar. I can never remember. But here is your balcony, and this is where the kiddo and I ate lunch. We did a mobile order from Sanaa today, which was actually pretty quick. Once I said we were here, it took less than 10 minutes, I think, to have our order ready. And here is our view. And as you can see, there's a zebra out, there's a giraffe, and then the cranes always seem to like to hang by our room. I will say I think I like the Savanna over at Jumbo House better, just because I feel like you can see the whole Savanna easier. So sometimes, like earlier today, I couldn't find any giraffe or zebra out.